He's starting a new award, the Rep of the Month award. He's starting it now. That was a certificate of completion that he had. There's his booth. He's not letting me do this, so just watch. That's another one of his awards that he got, and that's for what, Tim? Oh. He had an all-star branch here, right here, all-star branch, divisional, 2007, that was for him. It's all his oil samples, his old oil bottles that he had, all his important papers, all his important stuff. There's his other important stuff, right there. That's the most important stuff. And that's the other important thing. Not the most. That's it, that's his office.